Welcome to the 2025 September 11th edition of Easy English News.
The U.S. Supreme Court has allowed President Trump to pause nearly $5 billion in foreign aid. A judge will later decide if this is legal. Let's find out more. The U.S. Supreme Court, led by Chief Justice John Roberts, has allowed President Trump to freeze, or temporarily stop, about $5 billion in government money meant for other countries. In other words, foreign aid. A court will later decide if this action is legal. The freeze came after a lower court said stopping the money might be illegal, but the Supreme Court put that decision on hold for now. Officials say this case is important because it involves how much power a president has over spending government funds. Another part of the case involves Lisa Cook, a governor at the U.S. Federal Reserve, who the Trump administration tried to fire. The court said she can stay in her job while she fights in court. So the main idea is the money is frozen for now, but the final decision will come later. This shows how U.S. courts can control the president's actions, even when it comes to money.